As a busy stay-at-home dad and fifth-tier internet celebrity, I don't have time to fold 6 people's laundry and put it all away. That's why I got these cheap laundry baskets, and I wrote each kid's name on them. So here's the thing. This size ended up being only half a load of laundry. Luckily I have 2 boys, 2 girls. So I put both the boys together. They share a room also, by the way, which you'll see why that's good. So I put each basket in the washing machine. I wash it. I don't have to say, okay, this is the small girl, this is the big boy, this is the big girl, this is the small boy. Did I do that one? So I used to put everybody's laundry in one giant basket in the hall, which meant then I had to sort, either before I washed or after. Here's the magic of everyone having their own basket. I can put a half a load of one boy, a half load of the other boy in the machine. Wash it, dry it, dump it on one of their beds. They put it away. I don't have to sort anything. I don't care what they do with it, as long as it doesn't end up on the floor and back in the dirty clothes for me to wash again when it's not even dirty. So the twins are in 2nd grade, and then the middle girl is in 5th grade. The oldest is in 6th grade. Jeez. They're all big enough to know where the clothes go. Yes, the 2nd graders don't fold it very well. I don't care. Pro tip from a seasoned stay-at-home dad. You're welcome. Life is what you make it. Let's get our hands dirty.